Are you looking for the best Bluetooth FM transmitters? In this video we will look at some of the best Bluetooth FM transmitters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Nuluxy Bluetooth FM transmitter. So many features have been incorporated in this transmitter to guarantee that you get the best results. It will simply plug into the cigarette lighter, which guarantees its ease of use. Additionally, it comes with a very large LCD screen to ensure that you read it easily. With this transmitter, you will get important information such as the battery voltage level and the songs playing together with caller ID. This brand has a high market value and it would only be wise for you to purchase it before the price escalates. You will also appreciate its compatibility with most devices including smartphones. Basically, Nuluxy is a reputable brand in the market today and you should, therefore, be confident when purchasing. Additionally, there are 3 connection options in this transmitter compatible with most devices on the market. Play your favorite songs on your car stereo through Bluetooth, TF card, O cable. Advanced noise reduction technology will ensure quality, crystal clear sound. Universal compatibility comes with 3 connection options. The LCD display is easy to read, equipped with safety functions. At number 2, Groov Flex Smart FM transmitters. This is another transmitter which has incorporated so many features which buyers are looking for. The transmitter uses Bluetooth 2.1 and comes with an auxiliary port. Safety features in this transmitter include the inbuilt surge protection. Installation of this device is something you are going to enjoy as no tools will be needed to do so. Another great feature for this transmitter is the fact that it has a wide LED display which will ensure that you get readings in the correct way. Other convenient features for this device include the USB charging port together with the inbuilt microphone. What's more, this transmitter will allow 2 different devices to be paired simultaneously. Being backed with a 3-year warranty, you will have enough confidence to purchase. Inbuilt microphone comes with a warranty of 3 years. Multi-point Bluetooth connectivity easily connects to the smartphone. At number 3, Vixing Bluetooth FM transmitter. This is another viable option for Bluetooth FM transmitters which has been recommended by most people. It makes use of technology to offer the best to its users. You will like the affordability of the device, especially if you will be shopping under a tight budget. The device also comes with a good display to ensure you can read the information on the device with ease. The unique thing about this device is that it will even show you the condition of your car battery to ensure that you drive safely. The hi-fi stereo sound will also guarantee that you enjoy crystal clear sound. If you are interested in certain colors, you will be happy to realize that the device is made in multiple colors from which one can select from. Ensures drivers' safety. Excellent hi-fi stereo. Uses Bluetooth technology. Available in multiple colors. At number 4, Vixing Bluetooth FM transmitter. This unit gets easily plugged into a cigarette lighter to ensure that you get the convenience you need. The LCD backlit display of 1.44 inches ensures that you get the information you need to get. The good thing about this transmitter is that it shows you the condition of your car's battery to keep you safe on the road. You will enjoy the convenience of getting some crystal clear sound. Another exceptional feature about this device is the fact that it gets easily charged. You will also appreciate the fact that it has universal compatibility, which implies that you can connect different types of devices. It has also been made in an assortment of colors from which the buyers can choose from. With all these features, you will definitely enjoy using this device. Crystal clear sound and memory function. Universal compatibility. LCD backlight display. Faster charging station. At number 5, Sunmind wireless radio adapter. If you are looking for an intelligent and fast charging transmitter, this is one device you will enjoy using. Although it comes at a bit higher price, you will get value for your money. It is also made in an assortment of colors if you are interested in certain colors. Again, It has wide compatibility, allowing it to be used with as many devices as possible. We must also mention that the sound quality for this device is very clear due to its noise reduction technology. The backlit design and the high quality LCD screen make it very easy to use. You will also appreciate the stability of its connections between different devices. The inbuilt microphone design will also ensure that you receive calls in a hands-free design for your safety on the road. This radio adapter works with compatible devices, like iPhone, iPad, iPod, tablet, smartphones, intelligent and fast charging, good sound quality, wide compatibility, large keys for easy operation. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.